Hey you guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be creating this look right here featuring colorful eye contacts. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. So I'm going to be using this icing eyeshadow base by Glamlight and the Hank & Henry tie-dye palette. I'm going to be taking the shade Coconut first and applying that to the eye in kind of a zigzag shape. Next, I'm taking Color Canvas Paint by Hank & Henry, and this is in the shade Pink. I'm going to cut the white in half, as you can see, and then I'm going to place this pink where you don't see any white. Now taking the shade Ho, I'm just applying that right on top. Now we're going in with Prissy and Party Girl liquid lipsticks by Hank & Henry. I'm mixing those two together and applying those to the brow. I'm only applying this to where the white ends and the pink starts. Then we're gonna go in with Snazzaroo white paint and apply that to the rest of our brow. Now I'm going in with Romantic Beauty's ink dip liner and just kind of outlining all of that and dividing it even further, just to kind of make it pop. Now I'm going in with Georgette Klinger's Marula Primer, and I'm just applying that all over the face. Then we're going in with IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC+, and this is a color correcting full coverage cream plus anti-aging plus SPF foundation, and I'm just applying that with my Stands Out Beauty Sponge. Now we are going in with Color Canvas Paint in C1, BB Rosa Cream Blush, and Pero C Contour Stick by Hank & Henry. I'm just applying those all to the face and blending them in. Now I'm going in with Beauty Bakery's Flower Setting Powder. I'm just going to set my T-zone area, and then we're going to go in with Hank & Henry's Cream Blush Duo in Ornate Love, and I'm using the highlight from that. And here in a minute, we'll use the blush as well, as you can see, and I'm just gonna really go in with this. And then I'm taking a little bit of, I think this was black Snazzaroo paint, and I'm just creating some faux freckles all over my face with a spoolie. I added some Beat Gang lashes, and now I'm applying some white eyeliner. This is from the Urban Decay Prince collaboration. I believe this is called When Doves Cry. And then we're gonna pop those colorful eye contacts in. And that is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.